How to enable or disable video sound as ringtone for call background on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on phone app and click on the three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on call background. After click on call background, click on background and click on video. So you will see use video sound as ringtone is here. If you want to disable use video sound as ringtone, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see use video sound as ringtone is disabled. If you want to enable use video sound as ringtone, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see use video sound as ringtone is enabled. You will enable or disable use video sound as ringtone from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable video sound as ringtone for call background on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.